Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4756i. I want to show you how to copy documents from the panel, and also we're going to copy using Canon Print app. To copy your documents, open the glass scanner and put the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left corner of the glass scanner. Then select copy mode. It will show you copy mode. Then press this button to copy the document once. We'll show you scanning. So the document we copied black once. If you want to copy it color, then press this button. This is the document we copied in color. Once you select copy mode, then select the menu. It will show you copy menu, special copy, then select OK. Two-sided copy, select OK. We'll show you two-sided copy. Then put the document you want to copy, then select copy color or copy black. Then it will show you on the screen, scan the next page and select start to print. Open the glass scanner, turn the document the other way around, close the cover, then select OK to scan the second page. Now it's printing out the document. This is the document we copied, two-sided. If you want to copy with mobile phone, then select smartphone copy. Select yes. Then allow permission. Allow camera. Select allow. Then go back. Then select smartphone copy so that you can use your phone to capture the document. Select next. Then select save. Select original. Then select next. Then you can print the document out. Want to copy this in color and also single page. Then go back, then select print. This is the document we copied, and it will show you printing is completed. Then select OK. Then you go back to home page. So this is how to do smartphone copy and also copy document from the control panel. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.